We have a nice country song for you now from Fiona, and this one's actually a lot of people from here went to this state in America, Tennessee, and it's possible that an Ulster Scot may have been the instigator of this song. It's called the Tennessee Waltz.
Darling, to the Tennessee Waltz, when an old friend I happened to see. I introduced her to my loved one, and while they were waltzing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me. Much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee Waltz. Waltzing with my darling to the Tennessee Waltz, when an old friend I happened to see. I introduced her to my loved one, and while they were waltzing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me. How much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee Waltz. The beautiful Tennessee Waltz.
Tennessee Waltz.